In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can find your Binance wallet address in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is, first of all, you can see on their own Binance website, all you're going to want to do is go over to your wallet, go to any type of, trading. It can be fiat and spot, it can be margin, whatever you want. And once you do that, search for any cryptocurrency and under deposit, you will see your wallet address. So it's going to look something like this. Like you're going to go over to any deposit address. Here you're going to see deposit. And once you see deposit, you're going to click on it, and right under it, you're going to find this address. Okay. So this person is in Bitcoin. And once they click deposit, they're going to see their address with a QR code right under it. And that is how simple it is. Okay. So just log in, go over to your wallet, go over to fiat and spot, choose any cryptocurrency, and click on deposit. And once you do that, you're going to get your wallet address. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.